I'm Ben Gromicko from Internachi, and I want to show you how to get your Google Business profile created for your home inspection business and website so that you can start promoting your business using Google Search and Maps and get Google ranked. Now, if you don't have a website, go to nachi.org/website and get a website now, designed by Internachi's official vendor for home inspector websites, and that's inspectorwebsitebuilder.com, nachi.org/website. And they built us a website called Little Nick Inspections. And I want to get Little Nick Inspections online and Google ranked. And Google requires the business owner to create the Google business profile. But it's easy because Inspector Website Builder built the website using Wix. And Wix has an easy step-by-step process to create a Google business profile for my home inspection business and my website. So let's get started. I log into my Wix account. On the left-hand side, I scroll down to Google Business Profile, and I click the button to Start Now. Google asks if my business is already on Google Maps. So I'm going to type in Little Nick Inspections. It isn't because it's brand new, so I'm going to have to create a Google Business Profile. Or maybe you can just import an existing Google Business Profile. Either way, I pick a category, Home Inspection. I'll add my business details, phone number, website address. If I have one, I enter it here, and you can get one through Wix. I have a physical address and a service area. I type in my mailing address of my physical office because Google is going to send me a postcard with a special code in it, and that's one way that the owner of the business is going to verify with Google that the business actually exists. After entering all my business information, I submit to Google. There are a couple ways that Google can verify your business actually exists. They're going to text you or email you or send you a postcard or maybe just ask you to log in with your Gmail account. Here, they're asking me to verify my phone number. Google just texted me on my phone a verification code, and I'm going to enter it right now. Bam, it's that easy. That was literally just a few seconds in order to verify my business using Google Business Profile features within my Wix account. Why Wix? Well, Internachi's official vendor for inspector website designs, they use Wix to build my inspection business website, Little Nick Inspections. And now I have a verified business that's going to Google rank on Google search engines and maps because I created a Google business profile within a couple seconds and a few clicks. And now my business is verified on Google and my business profile is now visible on Google search and maps. Get your Google business profile through Internachi's official vendor for website designs at nachi.org/website.